What's up, friends? Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to become a better artist or designer, right? 1 habit, a daily habit, and 2 exercises. Daily exercises if you're disciplined as well. Let's get into it. The first tip that I'm going to share with you is actually a habit. You must cultivate within yourself the habit of drawing daily. Now, you've probably heard this from other people on the web or from teachers or whomever. There's a reason that it keeps coming up. It's because it works. You must draw every day. In life, as in art, we rise or fall to the level of our habits. Good habits, good outcomes. Bad habits, bad outcomes. So do yourself a favor and begin drawing every day. It doesn't mean that every day is going to be a good sketch day. In the beginning, we're going to have lots of less than desirable sketch days, and that's okay. What is important is that the next day we pick the pencil, pen, paintbrush, whatever utensil you're using, back up, and we continue to sketch on. Habit and tip number 1, sketch every day. And now that we are in the habit of sketching every day, we need some exercises, ways to strengthen our hand-eye coordination muscle. Now, when I was in university, I would do what I call atomic ellipses, 500 pages of them front and back side each week. This will drastically improve your line quality in a very short period of time. So as you can see, we are drawing an outside ellipse and then drawing concentric ellipses inside of the frame that we build for ourselves, which is that outside ellipse. Do this to begin each of your sketch sessions. Whether it's 1 page, 5 pages, 10 pages, or 100 pages, that is up to you. But this exercise is sure to increase your ability to control your lines through a curve in a very short period of time. Atomic ellipses is our first exercise. Now that we have mastered our atomic ellipses, we need a second exercise to help us control our lines over longer or broader space. So this is going to be our point-to-point line control exercise. So we start by laying out 2 columns of points, side A and side B. We then connect point A to B using 1 single sweeping line. Try to get the line as straight as possible. As you can see, my wrist does not move. This is all from the shoulder. Again, do as many pages of this exercise as you can muster or as you can manage each day to begin your sketch session. This is sure to increase your line quality and your ability to communicate visually in a very short period of time. We rise or fall to the level of our habits, and we need exercises to continually improve. If you found value here today, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch up with you next time.